I miss y'all, Kipsters. I hope y'all are taking care of yourselves. Hope you're getting some exercise and some good sleep. And if you have anything, questions, or whatever, I do want you to reach out, okay? I really, really miss y'all. Let's do some math today. All right. Remember, at any time you can pause the video. You can pause it and then write some of these notes down. You're going to need pencil and paper. So go get your pencil and paper and then come on back. Pause the video if you need to, and we can go from there. All right, here's what we're working on today. This is our objective. We are using attributes to draw different polygons, including triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, and hexagons. These are different types of polygons. Couple tricky words in there. Couple tricky words. First one, attributes. That will be a vocabulary word. Second one, polygons. That too is a vocabulary word. And then triangles. If you noticed, triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, and hexagons. I wrote a little number next to that. 3 for triangles. There are 3 sides and 3 angles. 4 for quadrilaterals. There are 4 sides and 4 angles. Pentagons has 5 sides and 5 angles, and then hexagons is 6 sides and 6 angles. So this is our objective. This is what we're going to work on today. Let's start with our vocabulary. All right, vocabulary, first one. Attributes. Attributes, say it with me. Attributes. An attribute is a piece of information or characteristic. For example, an attribute of this Expo marker, it is black and white. Those are attributes. It is cylinder. The shape of it is black and white is an attribute, but also another attribute would be the shape, which is a cylinder. An attribute to this ruler, 4 sides, 4 corners, which are also called angles, and it's very colorful. Those are different attributes. So an attribute is a piece of information or characteristic. Second vocabulary word from our main objective. Polygons. Polygons. A polygon is a closed shape with only straight sides. So say it with me. Polygons. Polygons. A closed shape with only straight sides. I'm going to draw you one polygon. One straight side, another straight side, and a third straight side. 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides. 3 sides to the polygon. A triangle is a polygon. Notice it has 4, nope, not 4, 3. It has 3 corners. The corners are sometimes called angles. An angle is where 2 sides meet, sometimes called a corner. So notice, on this triangle, we have 1 angle, 2 angles, 3 angles. We have 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides. So 3 sides and 3 angles make our triangle. Okay? All right. You'll need your piece of paper for this one. We're going to be drawing some shapes. First shape I want you to draw is our triangle, just like we just did. I'm going to pause, and I want you to draw a triangle. That is the polygon I want you to draw. Okay, by now, you've probably drawn a triangle. 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides. It has 3 sides. This is absolutely a review. 2, 3 angles. Now remember, an angle is where 2 sides meet. It's sometimes called a corner. Alright, now we're going to make a little bit of a chart. There's 2 sides. There's polygons on this side, and there's non-polygons on this side. A polygon has straight sides, and it is a closed shape. So I'm going to draw this triangle, and I'm going to draw a few other triangles. All of my triangles have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 sides and 3 angles. I know we did this one right here. Now we're starting our chart. Okay? This was 3. Next one is going to be 4. This is going to be a quadrilateral. And I'll draw it right here. So one that has 4, maybe a rectangle, maybe a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles. And this is called a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. The word quad means 4. Quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. Now let's come back. We're going to complete our chart. Now this chart, if you take a picture of yours finished and you send it to me, it will be your bonus for today. Quadrilateral. Here's my 4. Quadrilateral. You can say it with me. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. And then 4 angles. So 4 sides and 4 angles. Let's follow our pattern. 3, 4. The next one is 5. Okay, this was a quadrilateral. I'm erasing the quadrilateral. We did the triangle. We did the quadrilateral. And now we're going to do something called a pentagon. A pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides. Now the angles are often where the sides meet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles. And it doesn't have to look like a house. Any 5-sided shape will work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They can look very different, but as long as they have 5 sides and 5 angles, it is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. 5 sides, 5 angles. Rest of the chart. Here we go. This one is called a pentagon. You can always pause it if you need to, but I'm making sure you can go through all of these different types of polygons on this side. Pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. I'm going to pause the video, and I want you to draw a quadrilateral if you have not drawn it so far, and a pentagon if you have not drawn it so far. I knew we did the triangle together, we did the quadrilateral together, and we did the pentagon together, and now you have a chance to catch up if you need to. Okay. Following the pattern. 3, 4, 5. Next one is going to be 6. That is called a hexagon. Hexagon. I'm going to clear the board. Now this one is all about 6 sides and 6 angles, and it is called a hexagon. Hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can try to draw. Sometimes a hexagon is a little bit tricky. Let's try another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 angles. Okay, if you're a little confused in the vocabulary, we can come right back. We're talking about different attributes, different characteristics of the shapes. Polygons are closed shapes with only straight sides. Angles, where 2 sides meet, are sometimes called a corner, also an angle. 6 sides, 6 angles. Here is our hexagon. That's the same one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it has 6, it's called a hexagon. All right, here we go. Let's draw a hexagon and complete our chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe another one a little bit bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count the angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides, 6 angles. Okay, these are polygons. Let's talk about the non-polygons. Non-polygons, curved sides, and it's an open shape. Curved sides. I'm going to start with the curve. Any shape will do. Curved side, open shape. Another example. Curved side. It's not open, but it does have a curved side. If it has a curved side, it is a non-polygon. Okay? How about this one? What do you think? Did I put it in the right category? Yes, I did. It is a non-polygon because it has a curved shape. What about one like this, Mr. Agnew? Only straight sides, but look, it's open. If it's open, it is a non-polygon. If you take a picture of your chart and send this chart in, I'll give you bonus points. Send a picture on Class Dojo. All right, your turn. I'm not going to help you with these, but I'm going to walk you through it. Okay? Your chart will absolutely help you. First one, draw a triangle. How many sides? How many angles? Second one, draw a hexagon. A hexagon. Remember, go back. Look at your chart if you need to. A hexagon. How many sides? How many angles? And now finally is our exit ticket. On our exit ticket, it's on Google Classroom, just like it always is. On April 27th is the start of it. Even if you do it late, that's completely fine by me. Just want you to get it done. I want you to learn the material. On your exit ticket, there are 3 questions about a 5-sided shape. Your chart will help you. A 5-sided shape. And then the bonus, send me a picture of your polygon chart. Cool? All right. Any questions? Don't hesitate to reach out. I really, really miss you guys. And I want y'all to just keep pedaling. Hang in there, guys. Keep pedaling. Cool? Little smiley face right inside of my hexagon. All right, guys. Shut it off.